I love Pop Mart. I started collecting so many figure series from Pop Mart and I haven't stopped since. I love them so much that I even paint them. They are so cute and adorable. I just can't get enough. I even asked for them for Christmas and my birthday. So I was extremely happy that my sister got this for me. Can you guess which one I got? She got me all of them! Let's unbox each one and see what they look like. Oh my god! Oh! He has flowers.
I thought it was a crepe.
I thought it was a chicken wing. Look at him wait. Oh! His head came off! Guys, it... Oh! Oh, the flags. Look at the flags. It's holographic! Dude, it's a special! It's a special. This is rare.
Secret edition?
Oh!
It spins!
The monkey. Is that a monkey? Or a cat? I don't know what animal this is. Oh, this one's so pretty. Oh my gosh! Oh my. Oh, look at his big tail. Okay, now let's get the guy. Ooh. Whoa.
His neck is kind of long.
Oh. Ice cream. Oh, the car moves. Ice cream for sale. Oh, this one's a big one. Wow. You got big balloons. Oh, he's a little clown bear. Whoa. This is so cute. I like him. Wow, look at his hair. So cute.
Popmart market to be worth
He's in a boat. This is like Ariel. La, 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 I am so in love with every single one of them. Which one is your favorite?